Alright, so we're all the way here in Ardmore, Pennsylvania. We're doing a sewer replacement today from the main in the street all the way to inside the basement. The nice thing is we're doing a pipe bursting method today, which literally saves all the property from being damaged. Her lawn, her retaining wall, the sidewalk block, the curb, and you can see how little work we have to do as far as damage to get the sewer all the way from point A to inside the basement being point B. That's the type of specialty work we do at Dream Team. Okay, so we're in the basement here, and what we've done is we've opened up a small section of the basement floor so we can access the old existing cast iron sewer. Now it's cast iron outside the house for about 5 feet, and then it transitions over to terracotta pipe, and that's where our problems were, outside with tree roots getting inside the terracotta pipe. So what we've done is we've opened up a small section of the floor inside the basement. We've opened up around the foundation wall slightly, and this is our brand new pipe all the way down and in. And so we're going to go get ready and get that cut so that we can then connect it onto the existing pipe.
So these guys are getting started on wrapping up our bursting cable. This metal cable is like a bridge cable, super high strength metal cable that's used as a pulling cable to pull the sewer all the way from inside the property all the way to here. So we just completed our burst, and we are literally right here at the sidewalk block. We're going to underdig a little bit, tie it onto our fresh pipe with new pipe, and extend it all the way out towards the main.
Okay, so this is the terracotta pipe that we were having issues with. As you can see, the pipe is a really good product, it's a good pipe. The problem is the joints are the weakest link of the pipe, and that's where back in the day they used to cement around the edges, and the tree roots are now, all the cement is since gone, and all the tree roots are getting into the line because of sensing the water and being able to grow in there. So again, this is the inside of the sewer. As you can see, it looks pretty good, but it's a very fragile product, and because of that there's just numerous issues. If you take another look in here, this is our new pipe all the way out to around here. We're going to be connected onto our fresh air inlet vent, and we're going to pipe that down with a 2AT clean out. This way the line can breathe and it's accessible in case there was ever any paper towels or unforeseens flushed down there that shouldn't be down there. The line is always accessible. And then we're going to pipe this all the way over, and then we're going to make a tie-in right before it ties into the main. So it's about an hour and a half later. We're all tied in. If you look this way, you can see underneath there we have our new black SDR pipe coming out of the house. That's our pipe bursting product that we use. That's the new 4-inch pipe, seamless with no couplings, all the way from inside the house all the way to this hole here. Now this pipe coming up in the air, that is our fresh air vent I was telling you about earlier. That goes all the way up through the street, and there is a vent right here in the street. Again, it allows the air to get into the line can breathe, it's a vent, and it's also can act as a clean out also. Now if you come over this side, you can look on this side. Okay, so now we are showing you the other side of the pipe. This is where the old terracotta is. We are sleeved inside this terracotta over about 7 feet to where the main is. And then this line is all the way connected, tied into the house. We're all tied in inside the house, and it's a perfect job.